Hey Tallywhackers, we just started to make a filter. I know this place is a mess, it is a garage. For the fish, we also had a pond. It's over here, just behind the shed. We put a shallow place and a deep place. But it took a long time for Dad to dig all of this. And here's my dog. His name is Jet. He's a pretty nice dog. Oh, sorry, Jet. He's old, but he still has good muscles and all that. We have been working, well, Dad has been working for a couple, maybe hours. Well, I've been sitting on here and watching the movie. And he's laughing. Well, bye, Tallywhackers. We'll get back to Dad.